How much is the global real estate market value?
16% of the world's land area has been modified by humans. According to research, this is equivalent to 19 million square kilometers, an area greater than Russia. And 60% of this land area is real estate, the cities and communities where we live and strive. The global real estate market refers to the buying, selling, and leasing of properties, including residential, commercial, industrial properties, agricultural land and vacant land. The market is influenced by various factors, such as economic conditions, population growth, government policies, and investor sentiment. Key aspects of global real estate. 1. Residential real estate. This segment includes properties intended for personal use, such as single-family homes, apartments, condos, townhouses, and vacation homes. Factors influencing residential real estate include population growth, employment rates, interest rates, and housing demand. 2. Commercial real estate. Commercial properties are used for business and investment purposes. These include office buildings, retail spaces, hotels, warehouses, and industrial properties. The performance of the commercial real estate market is influenced by economic trends, business activity, and location. 3. Investment and development. Real estate serves as an attractive asset class for investors due to its potential for capital appreciation and rental income. Development projects involve constructing new properties or renovating existing ones to meet market demands. 4. Real estate markets. Different regions and countries have unique real estate markets, each influenced by local economic conditions, government policies, cultural factors, and legal frameworks. Some markets may experience rapid growth, while others might be more stable or declining. 5. Real estate investment trusts or REITs. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. They offer investors a way to participate in the real estate market without directly owning properties. REITs are traded on stock exchanges and distribute most of their earnings as dividends. 6. Property prices and affordability. Property prices vary widely across the globe, driven by factors like supply and demand dynamics, inflation rates, interest rates, and economic conditions. Affordability can become an issue in certain areas due to high property prices relative to income levels. 7. Regulation and taxation. Real estate is subject to various regulations and taxes imposed by governments, including property taxes, stamp duties, and capital gains tax. These factors can significantly impact the overall attractiveness of investing in real estate in a particular location. 8. Global real estate trends. Sustainability, technology integration, and changing consumer preferences are some of the notable trends. In the global real estate industry, energy-efficient buildings, smart homes, and innovative urban planning are gaining momentum. One of the primary drivers of the global real estate market is population growth. As the world's population continues to grow, the demand for housing and commercial space also increases, which in turn drives up property values. Economic conditions also play a significant role in the real estate market, as a strong economy typically leads to increased demand for real estate. Additionally, low interest rates and favorable government policies, such as tax incentives and infrastructure development, can also drive demand for real estate. The global real estate market is the economic and political instability in some regions of the world. Unstable economies and political environments can lead to decreased investor confidence, resulting in reduced investment in real estate. Another significant restraint is the availability of financing, as tight credit markets can limit the ability of individuals and businesses to purchase properties. The global real estate market is increasing its use of technology. Real estate companies are adopting technologies such as virtual reality and artificial intelligence to improve the buying and selling experience for customers. Another trend is the rise of sustainable and eco-friendly buildings, as environmentally conscious consumers seek to reduce their carbon footprint. Additionally, There is a growing interest in co-living and co-working spaces, where people share living or working spaces to reduce costs and increase collaboration. Finally, the global real estate market is also experiencing a shift towards urbanization as more people move to cities for better employment opportunities and quality of life. So let's get back to the real question. How much is the total value of the global real estate market? The global real estate market value grew from $3.7 trillion in 2022 to $3.98 trillion by 2023, at a compound annual growth rate of 7.6%. The war in Russia and Ukraine disrupted the chances of global economic recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic, at least in the short term. The war between these two countries has led to economic sanctions on multiple countries, a surge in commodity prices, and supply chain disruptions, causing inflation across goods and services and affecting many markets across the globe. The real estate market is expected to grow to $5.3 trillion in 2027 and $5.9 trillion in 2030 at a compound annual growth rate of 7%. Future considerations for global real estate. 1. Post-pandemic shifts. The long-term impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic on real estate are still unfolding. The extent to which remote work remains prevalent and how it affects housing demand in different areas will be a crucial factor. 2. Climate change and resilience. As climate change continues to affect the world, there will likely be increased demand for properties built with climate resilience in mind, as well as a focus on flood and disaster-prone areas. 3. Demographic changes. Aging populations in some regions and younger populations in others will shape housing demand, with potential implications for senior living facilities, urban development, and affordable housing. 4. Technology advancements. Continued technological innovations could further disrupt the industry, impacting property transactions, construction techniques, and property management. 5. Government policies. Government regulations and policies related to housing, urban planning, and taxation will play a significant role in shaping the real estate market in different regions. 6. Economic factors. Global economic trends, such as interest rates, inflation, and economic growth, will continue to influence the affordability and attractiveness of real estate investments. It's essential to note that the future of global real estate is uncertain and subject to various factors and influences. As time progresses, new developments and trends will emerge that may significantly impact the real estate market in ways that are challenging to speculate. If you have any questions, comments, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers, and your feedback helps us create content that's tailored to your needs.